To update your debit card in the DoorDash Driver app, start by opening the app and navigating to the menu. Look for the three horizontal lines, then select either Earnings or Payment from the menu options. Once in the Payment section, select Fast Pay or Payment Methods. This will show you your current payment options and allow you to manage your debit card settings. To add a new debit card, tap Add New Card. If you need to update an existing card, tap Edit next to the card you want to change. Both options will take you to the card details form. Enter your new debit card information carefully. You'll need the card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and cardholder name. Make sure the name matches exactly what's on your legal identification. After submitting your card information, DoorDash performs instant verification. This may include a small test transaction to confirm the card is valid. The verification process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, and you'll receive a confirmation notification when it's complete. Remember these important requirements. Only Visa or MasterCard debit cards from U.S. banks are accepted. Prepaid cards and credit cards cannot be used with Fast Pay. The card must be in your legal name to pass verification. When updating your debit card information, you might encounter some common issues. Here's how to troubleshoot the most frequent problems drivers face. The most common issue is card verification failure. This typically happens when the information you entered doesn't exactly match your bank records. Double-check every detail, including spelling, numbers, and spacing. Processing delays can also occur due to bank holidays or if you're using a brand new card. Bank holidays can extend verification times, and new cards typically need 24 to 48 hours to fully activate. DoorDash offers 3 different payment methods to suit different driver needs. Each option has its own benefits and timing. Fast Pay is the quickest option, allowing instant transfers to your debit card. There's a small fee of $1.99 per transfer, but you get your money immediately. Weekly direct deposit is completely free and automatically deposits your earnings every Monday. This is perfect if you don't need immediate access to your funds. Dasher Direct is DoorDash's own prepaid debit card that offers the best of both worlds. You get instant transfers with no fees, plus 2% cash back on gas purchases. Security is a top priority for DoorDash. All payment method changes require 2-factor authentication, and all data transmission is encrypted to protect your financial information. Additionally, DoorDash uses encrypted data transmission protocols to ensure your financial information is protected during transfer. The app also automatically logs you out after payment updates for added security.